2006 Seat Ibiza. Manual programming of a remote key. You're going to need 2 keys for this. You pop the window down and hold the key over. That's the easiest way. Turn the ignition on. Pop the second key into the lock. Hold it over. Make sure the ignition's on. This is why you need 2 keys. And then press the unlock button. That's it. That'll synchronise the remote. Unlock it again. Ignition off. That's it. All working. That's all you need, as long as you've got 2 keys. That's it. And the other key will still work if it wasn't faulty. There you go.